Welcome to episode 10 of our roofing components playlist, where we do a deep dive into all the major components of your roof system. Today we're going to do a deep dive into gutters and all the important information that you need to know about them. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the roofing channel. Let's get started. What is the purpose of gutters? A gutter system is designed to catch all of the water that runs down off of your roof, catch it and disperse it out onto the ground where you choose to have it dispersed. Without a gutter system, all that water is just going to drip right by your foundation, and that's not going to be good for your home. There are areas in this country where a home may not need a gutter system, but for where we live here in the South, most houses do have a gutter system because you want to make sure you control where that water flows. If you live in a part of the country that doesn't receive that much rainfall per year, then you might not need gutters on your home. But for this part of the country, we're going to say, let's install gutters. What are the types of gutters? Let's talk about the three types of gutters that we commonly see on homes. The first one, and the most common, is going to be a K-style or an OG gutter, and it resembles crown mold. The next one is a half-round gutter. They used to be just on farmhouses, but now a lot of homes have it drawn in the architecture for it to have a half-round gutter with round downspouts. The last one is, and it's kind of a commercial or a more modern-looking gutter, and it's a box gutter. It has a little bevel on the bottom, but other than that, it's just a box gutter with square downspouts. Gutters come in several different materials as well. The most commonly used is a continuous aluminum gutter. The next one is stainless steel. We can use copper, and also just a pre-finished steel as well. All these materials, except for copper, is going to have a coating on the inside of them just to make sure that the water does not hurt the material. Gutters come in several different sizes. They start out at a 4-inch box gutter. The K-style runs 5-inch and 6-inch. You can get a 7-inch in K-style for an extreme circumstance. Half-round gutters are normally 6-inch gutters for residential applications. The size of the gutter really depends on how much volume of water they're going to be carrying. A larger home is going to need a larger gutter because it's going to have more water running off the roof down into the gutters, where a smaller home, you could go with, say, a 5-inch gutter instead of a 6-inch gutter, just because it doesn't need that large of a gutter to carry that minimal amount of water. Who installs your gutters? Gutters are installed by a team of professional installers that they're trained on how to install gutters. Some roofing companies have a team of gutter installers on their payroll. Some roofing companies have a team that they sub their gutter work out to, but they've been using them for a while, and that's quite okay as well. Some roofers can install gutters, but unless you do it every day, stick to the professionals and let just a professional, trained gutter installer install your gutters. How much do gutters cost? A 5-inch K-style gutter is going to run you around $8 a linear foot, and a 6-inch K-style is going to run somewhere around $10 to $12 a linear foot. Copper gutters are going to run $40 a linear foot. Half-round gutters are going to cost around $20 a linear foot for aluminum. Box gutters, depending on the size, start at $15 a foot, and for a larger commercial could run up to $28 a linear foot. Now you know what you need to know about gutters. To continue your education, click on the link below or at the end of this video and watch episode 11 in our roofing components playlist on chimneys. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the roofing channel. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.